This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to add the RSI indicator in Moomoo. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a beginner looking to enhance your trading toolkit, understanding how to add indicators like the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, can give you valuable insights into market trends. So, let's dive in and get started. To begin, you'll need to open the Moomoo app or website. If you haven't yet downloaded the app, you can find it in your device's app store, or simply open your web browser and head over to Moomoo's official site. Once you're logged in, you're ready to explore the world of indicators. Next, navigate to Chart Management. This is where you can customize your charts and add various tools and indicators to aid your trading analysis. In the app, you'll usually find this option at the bottom of your screen, while on the website, it might be located in the sidebar or top menu. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to the platform, as this will make your trading experience smoother. Within Chart Management, look for the option labeled Manage Indicators. This is your gateway to a range of analytical tools that can help you make more informed trading decisions. Click or tap on this option to open up the list of indicators available for you to use. Now, it's time to select the RSI indicator. The Relative Strength Index is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements, often used to identify overbought or oversold conditions in a market. Scroll through the list until you find RSI. Once you've located it, select it to add it to your chart. After selecting the RSI, you'll have the opportunity to adjust its settings. This is important because different traders use different configurations based on their strategies. Typically, the default setting for RSI is a 14-period timeframe, but you might want to adjust this based on your trading style or the particular asset you're analyzing. Experiment with the settings to see what works best for you and your trading goals. And there you have it. You've successfully added the RSI indicator to your Moomoo platform. By incorporating this tool into your analysis, you'll be better equipped to understand market dynamics and make more informed trading decisions. Remember, practice and experience are key to mastering any trading tool, so take your time to explore and learn how the RSI can enhance your trading strategy. Thanks for watching this quick guide on how to add the RSI indicator in Moomoo. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on navigating the world of trading. Happy trading!